Did you know that the way the churches in Sutera mark the time with the chimes of their bells is unique? If the chimes of the church bell towers first mark the quarters and then the hours using a special system, you are either in the Vatican, which is a foreign country, or in Sutera, a small village in the heart of Sicily.
The mode is designed in a classic French style, featuring a traditional 6-hour counting system. This means the hours are grouped from 1 to 6, then from 7 to 12, followed by 13 to 18, and finally from 19 all the way until midnight. Let's take an example. It's 8:15, so you'll hear one chime of the small bell to indicate the first quarter, and 2 chimes of the large bell to indicate the 2 hours after 6, that is, 8 o'clock.
And so at 11:30 p.m., you'll hear 2 chimes from the small bell and 5 from the large bell. All of this is interspersed with a peal of bells at 5:30 in the morning, marking the time when the farmers would head out to the fields, the so-called 𝗕𝗄 e Nino.
Venne proprio ci vediamo dopo che suonava 𝗕𝗃 alle e tutto, e ne iniziamo a lavorare dopo una strumento che suonava e ne mettiamo a lavorare.
If you like the video, give it a like. Please share it.
And click the follow button so you don't miss any future videos.